If this video helps you any, please like this video so we know that you like the content, and we'll be able to get some more videos like this on. And please subscribe to the channel so you'll be alerted when more videos are uploaded. Also, if you're looking for any specific firearm to be disassembled and reassembled, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it uploaded and online. Alright, we got the Canik. This is the TP9SFX. However, I know a lot of the Caniks break down exactly the same. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to check it. Chamber is empty, nothing in the magazine well. Get that ammo out of the way. Now we're going to drop this slide and we're going to pull the trigger. Alright, this is a lot like several other guns we've had. It's got this little lever right here basically. Now this is bigger than a lot of the ones. We're going to pull this lever down and it's on both sides, so we've got to get a good grip. We're going to take finger here, thumb here, and we're going to pull down. As we pull down, we're going to take this slide and we're going to pull this slide back. So we're going to pull down, slide back, then we're going to take our thumb and we're going to push it forward, and then we're going to strip it off there. And now again, the frame ready to clean. The spring and the rod, we're going to push it forward, pull up a little bit. This one's going to, you can't pull up quite as much on some of the others because it does recess a little further down in here. But now this is totally tore apart. I'm going to sit it to the side for the rod. Now we're going to take the barrel, slide it up forward, wiggle it out, and this is fully disassembled for cleaning. This is all we need is to clean the slide, the barrel, the spring, and the frame. Now to reassemble it, take the barrel, angle it up, in, pull it back. The rod, it's got two different. The larger end goes toward the rear, the smaller end goes toward the front. And if you can see, this is actually fairly easy to see right here. You see that little groove, that round bevel down in there? That's what we're going to sit on. That's the second step. So we've got one step here, then we've got the second step. That's what we're going to seat as a spring on right there. So we're going to put this in the little hole. We're going to push forward. Make sure you've got it down on that second step. If you can see, it's down on the second step there. It's not on the first one. It's down in that second with the bevel. Now, this is completely put back together. Alright, so we've got our little grooves here. You see your little rail grooves right there? That's where we're going to sit these little pins basically. And we're going to sit them in those rails. So we're going to go right there. We're going to pull it all the way back. Check it, trigger, and we're good to go. That is the Canik TP9SFX. Again, there's a lot of the Caniks tear down exactly the same. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.